My name is Rutuja. My school name is ZPPS Sakat Khurda East. One day the queen was taking a walk in her garden when she found a big beautiful golden feather. Then she met a little man. He said, if you give me that feather, I will give you 3 big diamonds. Sorry, said the queen. Then she met an older woman. The older woman said, if you give me that feather, I will give you necklace of 21 pearls. Sorry, said the queen. Then she met the king. The king said, if you give me that feather, I will give you 99 gold coins. Sorry, said the queen. Then she met a little prince. He said, oh mama, what a beautiful feather. Take it, my dear, said the queen. Keep it safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.